I decided to join the Vet Prac workshop this time round. Being in person, practical with Margie, I regularly follow her tutorials and I guess make myself available for anything webinar based, as well as now a workshop. So practically putting on the skills that we're learning, I think is really important. Reiterating our knowledge and skill set in a practical environment, and then taking that back to the clinic is important. And also learning from a specialist, an anesthesiologist, is very uncommon in our practices. So taking advantage of her knowledge and taking that back, and also having a point of call for future networking, for equipment questions, or any specific case related questions going forward. My favourite part so far of the workshop has been troubleshooting the different types of anaesthesia machines. We've got a variety of machines available in the clinical studies facility, and having a variety of problems already set out for us to find was challenging, and a very important skill set to have. I think if someone was thinking about attending a workshop, there's multiple bonuses. So again, networking, friends, similar interests, getting mentors, as well as putting into practice those skills and knowledge that we read about and we watch in webinars, but then under the guidance of a specialist. I think the practicality of the workshops and making the most of your time while you've got mentors there. All of the educators are highly skilled, have been doing it for many years. So within a practical like this, we can ask one-on-one questions, get involved. We've got a simulator, so that could be replicating what we see every day, but then also putting us in situations which we might not see, and then having those expertise there to guide us in the right direction, make hopefully the right choices in the future when we do go back to our own clinics. So I think it's a wonderful workshop. Setting up all these pracs, and I think being involved herself, being in her interpersonal skills, what make include everybody.